Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger login problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find every single app you have on your phone. So you have to wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Messenger. When you find it, click on it and then click on force stop, and after that click on storage and then click on clear data and click on clear cache. Go back, click on permissions, make sure that all these permissions here are enabled, and then click on force stop. Restart your phone and reopen Messenger, and the problem must be solved right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.